Good day, sir. My name is John Likiro Maheo. I'm 19 years old from BSBA Financial Management. I'm the kind of person who's always trying to grow, not just academically, but also physically and mentally. As I have gone through school, I've learned how important it is to understand myself, stay active, and take care of my overall well being. When it comes to staying active, I have a few fitness activities that I really enjoy. I love dancing because they're fun, aggressive, and they help me relieve stress while still being great work. These activities help me to stay energized, confident, and focused. For healthy food, I try to choose meals that keep me light but strong. My favorites are fruits, veggies, oatmeals, chicken breast, and smoothies because they give me the right nutrients without making me feel too heavy. Eating healthy has also helped me to maintain a good mood and better performance in school. My favorite slogan that promotes fitness and wellness is "Take care of your body. It is the only place you have to live." This quote reminds me that no matter how busy life gets, I should never forget to prioritize my health. Our body is the foundation of everything we do, and staying healthy helps us succeed in all aspects of life. Physical education is very important in my life as a student. It helps me release stress, improve my physical endurance, and build discipline. It also teaches valuable life skills such as teamwork, perseverance, and self confidence. Without PE, school would feel too overwhelming and unbalanced. From my previous PE subject, I can say I have learned many memorable lessons, but I have my top three experiences, which is learning new skills and activities from basic exercises to sports techniques I've never tried before, working with my classmates and building teamwork, which helped me connect and develop better communication, understanding the importance of fitness in everyday life, especially how staying active improves my mood, focus, and overall well being. As we begin this new subject, my expectation is to learn even more, both about physical fitness and about myself. I hope to improve my skills, discover new activities, and enjoy the learning process while connecting with my classmates. I'm excited to grow physically, mentally, and socially throughout this course.